it's really powerful practice.
It's beautiful. It's a beautiful example. So lovely. Yeah. And I think what's really glorious about that space is that it's not, sometimes I think with, and it's a little encouraged in the Lojong training, it's all about the bad, it's all about the people who are doing us harm. It's all about the enemies. So, we're constantly loving and giving to those who, are typically seen as enemies. But the bodhicitta, the lovely image again is that the sun shines on everybody. It doesn't only shine on good people or only shine on bad. It shines on everyone. It's completely universal. And the thing about bodhicitta is that you can look, as you say, look at the people who are causing you so much heartache or headache, and you can go, yeah, I mean, you're really annoying, but I totally can see that you are also human and doing your thing. But you can also go, and I got really hurt, and that really hurt me, and that is also precious. And all these people that have supported me, this is really wonderful. It kind of encapsulates everything. So you don't have to okay, I can't love I can't celebrate myself at all. I've just got to celebrate my oppressors. It's not like that. It's like whoop, the whole thing falls open, and you're like, yeah, I got hurt. They hurt me, but they're probably hurting. But their hurt doesn't cancel out my hurt. I can hold it all. And that love that supported me is really precious too. And may they also have that. It's a sort of it's this kind of ooh, everything is, everything can be held. And it's beautifully, it's self-sustaining because you're not doing it. You're not doing anything. You're not having to give birth to bodhicitta like a constipated person. There's no effort in a way because you're surrendering into it. It's like you're dissolving into the sea of it. And that's such a delicious feeling. And and sometimes we lose it. And very often we lose it. We kind of thump. We go back in, we fold back in. But these practices are there in order to encourage it. I can't remember who it was that said that, enlightenment is an accident. It happens almost accidentally. But meditation makes us accident prone. Bodhicitta is not something that you construct or make. It's there. But meditation makes us much more likely to plug into it and relax into it.